Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a hair video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this amazing wig that I got from Asteria Hair. This unit came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-styled. You guys, I did not glue this in. It's a glueless unit. It's completely glueless, all right? Completely glueless. So fast and easy to put on and install. And you guys, the curls are just popping. The hair is so nice and soft. The hair is extremely full. I love it, you guys. It's so pretty. This is the perfect wig for my people who literally can't do their hair. Like, you don't have to curl it because it comes pre-styled. You don't have to pluck and bleach, all that stuff. It already comes prepared for you, basically ready to wear out the box. Like, I really didn't do much of anything to this wig, and I'm just surprised how good it looks. And it's not even like glued down or anything like that. And I didn't have to customize it myself. Like, I didn't have to do anything. And for today's video, I decided to not do baby hairs because I really wanted everything to look natural. I want to make sure I give you guys looks without baby hair. Everybody don't like wearing baby hair, and I know sometimes you guys like seeing how things look on me without baby hair. I think when I don't have baby hair, I just look a little bit more sophisticated and grown up. Is that what it is? I don't know what it is. If you guys are interested in seeing this easy install with this unit, keep on watching. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So our wig we're using today is from Asteria Hair, and it comes in a really nice box like this. I would suggest keeping the boxes, you guys, like so you can store your wigs after you're done wearing them and all of that good stuff. I think the boxes are super cute. That's how it looks on the inside. First, we have our unit right here, and it does come with some goodies. I have an edge brush. You can never have too many edge brushes, okay? I also have a edge elastic, a satin baggie, and you also get a wig cap, and I got some lashes. So we have a undetectable HD lace wig. It's the skin melt transparent lace, okay? 200% density, cap size medium, 5x5 lace closure wig, 24 inches, okay? It comes packaged very nice. As you guys can see, it's pre-styled already. So your curls definitely stay intact. It does have a net. So I'm just gonna take all of this off, and I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the wig. So this is what the inside of the unit looks like. It comes with combs, which I'm gonna take out. I never use these because I usually have braids, and these I feel like are better if you have like a ponytail or something. It has an adjustable strap. It has a removable elastic band. Okay, so right off the back, I love how the wig is made. Right now, I'm just gonna be taking off those combs and whatever. So I took the combs and everything out, and I put my hooks right here, okay? And this is how the unit is gonna look. And I do have on a wig grip, okay? If you guys are interested in this, I will have it linked below. A wig grip is just, this is a wig grip cap, and this helps protect your hair. It helps keep your wig from like scooting back. It just makes everything nice and secure. I literally can't wear my wigs without it because it just feels weird. So now we're gonna go ahead and put on our unit, and you guys are just gonna see how fast and how easy it is to install this. And this is gonna be my holiday wig, but look how good that looks, you guys. Look how good the lace looks. Our unit is plucked to perfection. Like, it looks really good. Now I'm just gonna take my scissors, and I'm gonna go in and cut the lace. And you don't wanna cut your lace straight across. You kinda wanna, you know, cut in an uneven line just so everything looks more natural. If you guys can tell, I kind of cut that in like a little zigzag. Okay, you guys, so we are done cutting the lace. As you can see, the lace blends really good straight out of the box, but I'm gonna use a little bit of lace tint just so everything looks nice and blended. Now, I got this lace tint from my local beauty supply store. It's the Magic Collection Lace Tint Mousse. It looks like this. If I find it on Amazon or something like that, I will link it for you guys. And I'm using the shade Mocha. Now, I've never used the mousse, so I'm really excited just to see how it is. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. See, you guys, that's why you gotta be careful with sometimes trying out new products. So it didn't come out at first in a mousse, but it did eventually mousse up. And I'm just gonna take some with my brush and just put it on the areas that need it. This is a very interesting product. I've never used a lace tinting mousse. If you've used like a lace tinting mousse, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys like it. I'm not saying I don't like it. I might have like the wrong color. I'm not sure. It seems to work pretty fast, so that's good. I'm gonna take my dryer and dry it. Okay, you guys, so I'm done using the tint. So I would say I really like the tint. I feel like it tinted the lace perfectly. It helped it like blend all the way into my scalp, my hairline. It looks super good. And I'm not gonna do baby hairs for this look. I want you guys to see how you can really put these units on and just go. I'm gonna take a little bit of wax. I'm just gonna put it right here. Although the wig is already like flat, I just wanna make it a little bit flatter. Just the perfectionist in me wanting my wigs to be nice and flat. And then I go in with my hot comb, really simple. Look at that, you guys. Okay, you guys, so we are done using our hot comb and basically installing the wig. As you guys can see, this unit is melted. Now I'm just gonna take my fingers and kind of detangle the beautiful curls that already came in it. These curls are so soft. No tangling, nothing like that. For the girlies that don't like to do much to their hair, this one is definitely for you. Guys, I really think it's so pretty and soft, and just look how my fingers are going through it. I just love the bombshell curls. This type of look looks beautiful on everyone. And the fact that it's glueless, I didn't have to pluck, I didn't have to bleach no knots, I didn't have to do nothing, I didn't have to curl it, I didn't have to do anything. So if you guys are interested in this unit, it will be linked below. Everything I used from today's video will also be linked below. Thanks again for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.